Alright, we're on part 4 now. Where we left off in part 3 was getting stuck on the CU6 update for SQL 2012. I have now downloaded the update and we'll run it. Of course it wasn't successful. Run. Continue. SQL CU6. Oh, there we go, that worked. Alright, so we will go to that newly created folder, SQL CU6. Alright, and I really hope this works. Because again, I really do not like supporting SQL. It is not a strong point of mine. Even the really basic stuff. Alright, now, cool. Get a bit nervous when it doesn't do anything for a little bit on the screen. It's whether, has it installed it or not? I wonder what resources I gave this. So, well, cause, okay, yeah, I didn't give this one dynamic memory because obviously things don't work properly. Alright, so that's my instance I'm upgrading. It's just a default instance which we talked about in episode 1 or episode 2, not too sure. Alright, next. So hopefully he's actually run. And then our console will accept it. Right, so what I'll do is I'll just pause the microphone now because I have no idea how long this is going to take. I suggest if you're still watching the screen, just skipping through the video a little bit, because we could be sitting here for about 5 to 10 minutes. Hey guys, so we're back for the installation of part 3 of SCCM. So what I'm going to do now is jump over to my console. I'm going to run the installation of SCCM, so just click on Splash. Alright, so it looks like we're done. I hope none of you actually sat through that whole video waiting for it to actually install, because that was really boring. So what we'll do now is go close. Okay. Now, let's see if we can actually do this without a restart. So we'll go back to our console, go next. Yes, that worked. I've always had issues with that part. So now we want to go to select the path we want. This is just going to auto fill itself in. To not complicate things, just leave it how it is. Next. Now I don't have a. That's fine. I'll just leave it like that. We'll get to that win probably in like part 20, because that's a while away. Just leave it all like that. Oh, actually, that was the part I was looking for, the HTTP. Thought you could change it from memory. Don't worry. Next. I don't want to join. So that's everything. Now, this part is going to check for prerequisites. So, okay. We need ADK. That's what it is. So what we'll do is we'll just check it anyway to see what roles and features that we've failed on, or prerequisites. So we failed on, we need ADK. I forgot all about that. Okay, so that's only all morning. Windows pre-installed environment component, ADK, yep, I knew about that one. Windows deployment 2 is part of ADK. Site server configuration manager setup requires that the site server computer has administrative rights on the SQL server and management point computers. Okay, so we can fix that one up actually pretty quickly. So what we'll do is groups, administrators, add, not location, object types, computers, SCCM, console. There we go. Alright, so that should work now. So we'll run the check again. I'm not going to worry about warnings. Yeah, I'm just not going to. I knew that we were going to get an SQL memory allocation warning, because I do not have enough memory on my laptop to allocate more. Alright, so that looks good. So we just fixed up that administrative error. So all we have to do now is install ADK. And what I'll do that is I'll leave it for a part 5. Alright, see you then.